my YT homies, what it do, and what it do. So what's up, it's your girl Alethea coming back in with another video. And oh, you guys, some of you have been asking about my sister's hair on here and on Instagram, and it's finally here. Here is an update on my sister's hair. So first off, let me just tell y'all, she is loving her hair. That's the first thing. Secondly, she's a bit hard-headed when it comes to her hair. Yes, she's a bit hard-headed, but she promised me she was going to do better after I retightened her hair. It is now what's today's date? The 25th, and I retightened her hair, I believe it was on the 15th. So here we are finally with the update. So if you would like to see the update on my sister's braid locks, then please continue to watch. Before you watch though, make sure you go ahead and don't comment once you watch it, but make sure you go ahead and subscribe. Then once you watch it, then you comment, and then about 30 more seconds you're gonna go ahead and like the video, and then make sure before you leave you share the video. I would definitely appreciate it. Your girl would definitely appreciate the love. And so until the next time, I'll see you all later. Lord. All right, y'all, so we are back, and it is, what is this, August the 15th, and I'm about to retighten my sister's hair. And here is where she is at this point. Let me zoom in. First retightening. I can't remember the day. I don't remember. I lost the paper where I wrote it down, but I can't remember the day she started. But she does have some new growth, so she'll probably have about 1 or 2 full rotations. She has lost some locks because I told her to braid and band before she shampoos, or to come and let me braid and band her hair and shampoo it, but she didn't. So she shampooed her own hair. Turn around, don't be trying to keep them from seeing your hair look a mess what you did. So right here, she got like a few locks gone right here. So she's hard-headed. She did what she wanted to do, but we're gonna fix her right on up after I make her some coffee, because she said I need to make her some coffee because it is 8 something in the morning. So I got my coffee though. So that's really all that matters, right? Right. So we'll be back. All right, you guys, so here we go. I am done with the first section. And as y'all can see, I had to redo some. It didn't take a long time to do this section, but it would have been quicker if she pays attention. So before she leaves today, I think I'm gonna braid this part up and that part up and leave a little bit out in the front so she won't mess with it. But until the person, I did comment back on the comment, but just in case anybody else has anything to say, someone commented on my video, commented and said that you shouldn't leave no more than a ½ inch to an inch out or whatever. But I know my sister, and I know she likes her hair to be fluffy. And if I had plaited these things all the way to the end, she would have been coming talking about, I'm looking like a little boy. It's this, that, and third. So while anybody else, I would not leave this much loose on their hair. But for my sister, especially with the fact that her hair is not that full and thick, just like her hair is a different texture from mine, but mine is not as full and thick neither. So you have to do something to get some fullness to your hair. So we're done with the first section, and I'm going to move on because I have an appointment today, so I got to get ready to get done with her hair. Yes, I'm going to get a massage today. I'm so looking forward to it. We are back, and I am completely done with the back. And this second half only took me about 20 minutes because I didn't have as many to redo as I did on this side. This side took about maybe 40 minutes, I would say. Yeah, about 40 minutes. So we've made good time with this. So now I'm going to go and do the top, which I got some over on this side I got to redo, and some here. But if it wasn't for the ones that I had to redo, I would really be, you know, done with her hair way quicker. So, but I think it's making good progress, other than the fact that she has to do what I say do. Nappylicious, yes, she has to do what I say do because I'm the ruler. But anyway, so this is her back. So we're gonna go ahead and finish the front, and I'm not showing y'all the rotations or what have you with her hair. If y'all want to see that in the next video, let me know and I'll put that in the next video. But this video, I'm just kind of coming in and y'all know where we're at. And she also, contrary to what you may think, because she already had some hair, but her hair is growing really fast with this, because her hair grows at a good speed, but she stunts her growth by doing too much. And because she hasn't had to do her hair, I mean, you can go back and compare. Her hair has grown since the last time, so it's gonna be pretty long in no time. Then I'm gonna cut it off because I'm gonna be mad. No, I'm just joking. All right, so here we are. about 40 minutes later, and like what, 3 seconds in YouTube land, and we are done with this retightening. And girl, you turn around. I don't know what's she doing. We are done. Turn around so they can see that. Let me pull this in. So here we are, and she's been putting gel on her hair, a brown gel. So I gave her some edge control because she wants to lay her edges down. So I'm gonna take real quick and try to do something to pull this up into a little style or something, and then yeah, she can go home, go about her business. Yeah. All right, y'all. So turn around. So I threw a quick little braid up back here and one over here on the side. Can y'all see that? Let me see. Okay, there we go. Quick little braid up over here, and this one going up, and then I got them in a ponytail. And then I have this down in the front so she can have a little bangage. So I'm about to braid this over together so that she can take it down later, and then I'm just gonna leave this high puff like this, and then she can just wet this, but I'm gonna braid this so she can take this down, so that way her hair that's going this way will come over this way. Tell the people how you feel about your hair. Where you at? What are your thoughts? How has it been this last month and what, about a week? Tell them. How are you liking your hair?
I'm loving my hair. I like the fact that I don't have to comb it, but I also like the look of it. I like the natural look of it. Like the way I can, you know, choose a different hairstyle and stuff like that, easy to fix. Other than all, it's doing pretty great. I'm no complaints right now.
Can you let them know that you're not going to shampoo your hair anymore?
I will not shampoo my hair anymore without her doing it herself.
Okay, because you let them know you shampooed your hair without braiding and banding and caused a lot more slippage than what we had to have, right?
Yes, I did. It was itchy.
Okay, but and I'm right here, and I told her I would do it for her. So she's not gonna take this down. She's gonna leave this up. I say we can leave this up for about a week, and then she can come back and I can redo it and spray her with sea breeze or something. But I don't want to shampoo her hair until 2 weeks. But if it needs to be shampooed within a week, then I'll do that. But we'll wait about a week and kind of take this part down if it's bothering her. If it's not, then we can leave it up for the whole 2 weeks. But if she wants me to change that and redo that, then we can redo that. So she leave this in, and she doesn't go to work until tonight, so she can just leave this in until she goes to work tonight. And fluff this up a little bit, let that marinate in there, and there she is. And so until the next time, this is my sister's, pretty much, I guess we could say about 5-week update, because I lost the paper that had the original date. So I shouldn't have had to do her hair this soon, because we didn't have full rotations on some, but some we did because of slippage. So right now I'm gonna look at her doing her hair every 5 weeks, whether some of them come all the way loose or not, because she has slippage. So we're gonna get there, but this is her hair. So I thank you guys so much for watching. I'm not going to do an intro or anything in this video. Then again, y'all know me, I may come back and do an intro just to let y'all know. So with that being said, if you have not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Go ahead, like, comment, and share this video across all your social media sites. And if there are any questions you have for my sister, leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll make sure we answer them on the next video. So to the next time and in between time, you ladies and gentlemen be safe, and I will do what? Wait. Y'all know that. Catch you on the flip side. You're supposed to say it too. Say 1, 2, 3. Catch you on the flip side. Bye.
Bye.
You forgot to bye.
Oh,
okay,
bye.
One more time. We're gonna do this right till she get it right. Anime, you better get it right.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Catch you on the flip side. Bye.